Meaning of Holocaust.
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 Holocaust. The Holocaust was a genocide during World War II in which 6 million Jews were systematically murdered by the Nazi regime. It was also responsible for the deaths of millions of other people, including Soviet prisoners of war, Romani people, disabled individuals, and others deemed undesirable by the Nazi regime. The Holocaust represents one of the darkest moments in human history, and serves as a reminder of the dangers of prejudice, discrimination, and hate. It is important to remember the victims and their stories, and to work towards building a more just and equitable world.